my channel. So today I'm going to show you that I made a couple cards today. First I'm going to show you the things I used to make a card. So this thing says card truck by Momotum. So this is pre-stamped. Then I used this die set by Spellbinders. It's called Feathers. Then I used this 5x7 die set by Stiffy Bernard. It is a flipper card. I don't think it has a name on there. No, it doesn't have a name on there. Then I use her Make-A-Wish die set. But I mostly used to make it it's like a all kind of like birthday, celebrations, anniversary, but I turned it to a different card. Then I use her A2 card, flipper card. And then I use her, this one is a charming stand-up card. So this is before, because she didn't use to put name on it, but now she puts names on her stuff. So I'm glad she puts names on stuff, but I don't get a lot of her stuff, but once in a while I pick up her stuff, once in a while. I also use Momotum Witch Cocoa, Moroccan. This one's called Dandelion. Cantaloupe. And this one's called Talango. And then I also use some Spectral and I use DG4, DG3, CT2, CT4, CR10, and orange one. So now I'm going to show you the cards I made. So with the Make-A-Wish card, this is what I came up with. And I took the trucking and I stamped it in the rich cocoa. And then I took the stamp set. I stamped this right here. And I took the basket and I took it and I made like a orangey outline. And that's how I took that. And I made like the baskets inside the truck. And I think it turned out really cute. And inside here. And oh, the paper. I forgot to show you what kind of paper I use. Oops, my bad. I get the paper fast. I use Her's Harvest by Craftsmart. And then I also used Fall Harvest Embossed. And this is by Recollections, or however you say that word. And both of them I picked up by what's it called? Michael's. Both of them picked up at Michael's. Yeah, look at it now, like wait a second, so yes, I used the pumpkin paper out of there, and then I used the embossed paper out of the embossed paper pad. So I did that one. Then this one's the A2 Clip It. And I use, this one is this flower right here, but I only half stamped it. And I did like the sunflower, the oranges here, like orange here. I did this color here, and then I did the outside color, this orange, the Moroccan here, And then I did the 2 yellows up coming up more. So it'd be like a gradient, more tight color. And then I did like the different type of the pumpkins. So that's that one. Then this is the 5x7 flip it. I took this one, I embossed it in gold first, and then I took my expansion oil markers and then I colored them in all these colors you saw here. And then I used the 5x7 card base, and I used the lease paper. This one, I used a cut apart and I made this one. Cause I saw that and I was like, that's really cute. And it says hello fall. So I used a cut apart and I made this one. And I took a piece of that pumpkin paper and put it inside here. And it's like, you see like the leaf embossed paper is behind here. And then I took the stand up. This one is the stand up one. And I took the leaf, the feather dye, and put it here. Get some of the stuff out of the way. So it stands up. Yeah, so I took the two the leaves, and then as basically stand up by itself, and I took basically that's what I did. So thanks for stopping by, and till next time, like and subscribe. See ya. Oops, sorry, I hit it at the last minute.